Every man wants to know how to cook the perfect steak. Well, very soon, the Rib Room will be holding master classes with their master butchers. And tonight, I'm going to go behind the scenes and find out what the tricks of the trade are. Follow me. Amazing to be given access to the kitchen here at the Rib Room, but of course when you're cooking, you do need to look the part. So, thank you, Saji. Now, it's time to cook. Hi, Smile. So you are going to show me how to cook the perfect steak.
It's my pleasure.
And this is, I mean, it's a big steak, isn't it? So I like medium rare.
Yeah.
So shall we cook this as though I've just ordered it in the restaurant?
Yeah.
You've got the order.
Yeah.
Let's go. That's perfect. So that's the preparation done.
Yeah.
So now we take it to the grill. So this is where we learn how you cook that steak on the grill properly.
You're absolutely right.
Let's take it over. Oh yes, there we go. Even the grill smells nice.
Yes.
And the grill marks always make it look better, which makes it taste better, right? So how long do we leave it on each side on the grill? For medium rare?
For medium rare, around 3 minutes.
3 minutes each side. Okay. So we've done around about 3 minutes either side there on the grill. We've got it looking and smelling incredible.
Now what we are going to do, we are going to put in the oven.
This is it, isn't it? All our hard work,
Yeah.
all pays off here.
Sure.
Okay, let's have a look.
This is your tomahawk,
There we go. Look at that.
the final product.
Well done.
Yeah.
You helped me a little bit. It looks very good. Well, there's only one thing to do now, isn't there? Oh, look how easy it comes off.
Yeah.
That is fantastic. Oh, yes.
Perfect medium rare.
That's really nice. That's really nice. I really want to dig in.
Absolutely. Yeah. I hope you'll enjoy it.
I will.
Yeah.
This is what we've been waiting for. Oh, it's absolutely amazing. Chef, you've got a lot of passion for meat throughout your entire life, and you can tell it. That is fantastic. And if you would like to become a great cooker of meat and steak, you've got to try one of the master classes down here with the master butchers at the Rib Room, because soon something like this could be on your table at home. It's amazing.